Is there an easy way to establish my nurture journey? Short answer, no. Long answer, yes, but... And I know that's probably not the answer you're looking for. So please let me explain. Touch points are an integral part of your leads, your prospects and your clients interacting favorably with your brand, your product or your service. More importantly, you would be looking for a way for this to be automated. And the reason why you want this to be automated is so that it creates consistency in the way that your message and more importantly your business is being seen by your lead, prospect or client. However, in most cases for most businesses, this is normally how their current touch point scenario goes. They receive a phone call or an email, touch point 1. You phone back that particular lead, touch point 2. You may send them information, touch point 3. You do a follow-up phone call, touch point 4. You will book an appointment, touch point 5. You will go to the appointment, touch point 6. You may send them a proposal, touch point 7, and so on and so on and so on. Now, for some of you, that may be a great opportunity. And essentially, you're dealing with a lead that is in the buying zone. And we'll talk about the buying zone later. But in most cases, you're going to receive leads and prospects that may not necessarily be ready to buy from you now. Are you going to have the time, the effort, and the energy to actually put in place those touch points, more importantly, the channels? So, here's my encouragement and my advice to you. And that is it easy? No. Can it be simple? Yes. If you're looking for a nurture journey or you're looking for examples of a nurture journey strategy, then please fill in the box below so that one of my team can get in contact with you and discuss on how we can help you create the nurture journey that is a fit for purpose. In other words, it needs to fit you. Or feel free to reach out to us through www.yourmarketingmachines.com.au and let us help you become successful.